Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel A to Z Creative, where we create arts and crafts from A to Z. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a fake sundae as part of our Candyland-themed Christmas ornaments series. For the base, I'm using this cute plastic glass I purchased from the dollar store. First, I'll pour polyurethane inside the glass and swirl it around, making sure to coat the entire surface. Then, I'll pour out the excess liquid. So while the polyurethane is still wet, I'll sprinkle glitter all around the inside of the glass. The polyurethane acts as an adhesive, but if you don't have it, don't worry, cause you can use regular craft glue instead. After this, I'll let it dry completely. Once it's dry, I'll use the insulating spray foam to create a sundae feeling. You can use other alternatives, but I'm using this because I had some left over from the fake cupcake project I made. By the way, don't forget to check out our video on how to make a fake cupcake, link above or in the description box. Here's what the sundae looks like after the spray foam had dried. It expands a bit, giving it that fluffy look. For the icing, I'm using spackling along with a piping bag and icing tip. You can find both insulating spray foam and spackling at any hardware store, or you can grab them on Amazon, and I'll link everything in the description box below. Next, I'll pour some acrylic paint over the top to create a drizzle effect. For a fun and colorful look, I'll add glitter and beads. And of course, we can't forget the straw. I'm using a simple paper straw which I've cut to size. And here's the final look. Don't forget to check out the other DIY ornaments that we made for our Candyland-themed Christmas tree. I bet you will also like them. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our DIY projects. Thanks for watching!